Hello guys, today we learn about how to use new password protection feature on your smartphone introduced by Google. Earlier this week, Google rolled out a new feature to its internet browser Chrome to tell smartphone users whether the password they can use ever been leaked. This feature rolled out as a part of Chrome update for both smartphone and tablets is called Safety Check. In order to detect a compromised password, Chrome will send a copy of your username and password to Google using a spread form of encryption. So here are a few steps then how you will access to that. If you're wondering how to go, then you need to follow these steps. Number one, open your Google Chrome browser. Open your Google Chrome browser. After that, all you need is to go to the setting. Here you find setting. Click on the setting, then click on the passwords. Here you can see click on the passwords, and here are the saved password on your smartphone. Here you can view your passwords, your credentials. So that's how you can access to these settings. Thank you so much. If you like this video, then subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends and with your relatives. Thank you.